Welcome! In this video, we'll explore useful English words that start with the letter J, from Jack to Justice. You'll learn their meanings, Spanish translations, and common collocations. Let's get started. Jack, a tool for lifting or a playing card. Carjack, jack up a car. Union Jack.
He placed the jack of hearts on the table during the poker game.
Learn English vocabulary with poker cards. The four suits are hearts, diamonds, clubs, and spades, and the face cards are Jack, J, Queen, Q, and King, Tay.
They had to use the car jack to lift the vehicle and change the flat tire. The headphones won't work unless you insert the jack plug properly.
Jackpot, a big prize, especially in gambling. Hit the jackpot, win the jackpot. Jackpot prize.
She hit the jackpot at the casino, winning a fortune.
He hit the jackpot and won $10,000 in the lottery. Let's take a closer look at the word jackpot and see how it's used in everyday situations and figurative expressions. She hit the jackpot with that new restaurant. The food was amazing. Finding an apartment in this neighborhood was like hitting the jackpot. He really hit the jackpot when he met his business partner.
Landing this dream job felt like hitting the jackpot for him.
In the phrase, landing this job felt like hitting the jackpot, the word landing means to successfully get or achieve something desired, such as a job, role, or opportunity. It is a figurative use of the verb land, not related to airplanes or literal landing. Jam. Fruit spread or crowded situation. Strawberry jam, traffic jam. Get into a jam.
I love spreading strawberry jam on my morning toast.
Traffic jam. Many cars stuck on the road. Heavy traffic jam, stuck in a traffic jam.
We were stuck in a traffic jam for over an hour on the highway. The traffic jam made me late for my meeting.
Janitor. Person who cleans and maintains a building. School janitor. Building janitor. Janitor's closet.
The janitor cleans the school hallways every evening. She thanked the janitor for fixing the broken light in the office.
Jeopardy. Danger of loss or harm. Put in jeopardy. In jeopardy. Jeopardy of losing.
The hikers were in jeopardy when they got lost in the forest. His career was in jeopardy after the company discovered the mistake.
Jerk. Rude person or sudden pull. Act like a jerk. Sudden jerk. Jerk reaction.
He was acting like a jerk when he ignored everyone's suggestions. I can't believe he called her a jerk just because she didn't agree with him.
Join. To become part of or link. Join a club. Join forces. Join two pieces.
Would you like to join me for dinner tonight? They decided to join forces and start a new business together. He decided to join the chess club to meet new people with similar interests. The school encourages all students to join at least one club. The two roads join at the main intersection.
Join in. To take part in. Join in the game. Join in a conversation.
Why don't you join in and sing along with us? He was hesitant to join in the conversation, but finally gave his opinion.
Join up. To enlist or combine. Join up with friends. Join up in the army. Join up later. Join up for lunch.
We'll join up at the coffee shop before the movie starts. The two teams decided to join up for the charity event.
Joint. Place where two things meet. Joint account. Joint effort. Knee joint. Joint account. Bank account shared by two. Open a joint account. Joint account holders.
They opened a joint account to manage their finances together. He visited the new joint for lunch and was impressed with the food. After the accident, he experienced severe pain in his knee joint while walking. Yoga exercises can help improve flexibility and reduce stiffness in your joints.
Journal, personal record, or periodical. Keep a journal, scientific journal, journal entry.
She kept a journal to document her thoughts and experiences. The journal included articles on the latest scientific discoveries.
Journalism, profession of reporting news. Study journalism, quality journalism, investigative journalism.
He studied journalism in college and is now working for a local newspaper. Journalism plays a crucial role in keeping the public informed.
Journalist, person who reports news. War journalist, freelance journalist, professional journalist.
The journalist interviewed the president for the evening news. She's a dedicated journalist, traveling the world to cover breaking stories.
Jovial, cheerful and friendly. Jovial mood, jovial character, jovial laugh.
He has a very jovial personality and makes everyone feel at ease. The jovial mood at the party made it a night to remember.
Joy, great happiness. Feel joy, bring joy, cry for joy.
She felt immense joy when she heard the good news. The children's laughter filled the room with joy.
Joyful, full of joy. Joyful moment, joyful song, joyful spirit.
The joyful celebrations continued late into the night. His joyful expression was contagious, spreading smiles to everyone nearby.
Judge, official in court or to form an opinion. Court judge, judge fairly, judge a competition.
The judge listened carefully to both sides of the case before making a decision. She worked as a judge in the local court for many years.
You shouldn't judge someone without knowing their story. Judgment, decision, or opinion. Sound judgment, poor judgment, past judgment.
The judgment was delivered after a lengthy trial. His quick judgment helped him avoid a difficult situation.
Juggle, to throw and catch or manage many things. Juggle balls, juggle responsibilities, juggle work and family.
She can juggle 3 balls at once without dropping any. It's hard to juggle work and personal life sometimes.
She has to juggle work, family, and her studies every day. Juggler, person who juggles. Street juggler, circus juggler, professional juggler.
The juggler amazed the crowd with his incredible skills. At the circus, a talented juggler performed with flaming torches.
Junkie, drug addict, or someone obsessed with something. Heroin junkie, fitness junkie, news junkie.
He's a junkie for classic cars, always fixing them up and selling them. The movie shows the struggles of a junkie trying to recover from addiction.
Juror, person on a jury. Juror selection, serve as a juror. Trial juror.
She was chosen as a juror for the criminal trial. The juror was dismissed after admitting to having a conflict of interest.
Jury, group that decides in a trial. Jury duty, jury trial, jury verdict.
The jury deliberated for hours before reaching a verdict. The jury was made up of 6 men and 6 women.
Justice, fairness or legal system. Seek justice, social justice, justice system.
The lawyer fought for justice for his client, hoping for a fair trial. Justice is blind, and it should be applied equally to everyone. She worked hard to do justice to the case by presenting all the facts. The judge felt he had to do justice to the victim's family.
Great job! Now you know new English words that start with J. Keep practicing and watch the next video to keep growing your vocabulary. See you next time!